Residents of Velsau have once again staged a protest against the ongoing railway double tracking project, alleging that the work has blocked their traditional access route. The protesters claim that nearly 20 houses have lost vehicle access after an additional railway track was laid. Locals have raised concern that the absence of proper access could prevent ambulances, fire tenders, and other emergency services from reaching the affected homes during critical situations. Residents have urged the railway authorities to immediately restore a safe and proper access route before further work continues.
वेलसांव आसा आनी परत आमी पळयलेलें आसा कशें RVNL इज एक्टिंग लायक अ स्टेट विथइन द स्टेट. तांकां लॉ लागना, कायदो लागना, कांयच लागना. आतां सर्वे डिपार्टमेंटान 2003 लँड एसर्टेन करपाक लोकांक ओनर्सांक नोटिफिकेशन काडलेलें. आतां ह्या हितून नोटिफिकेशनान very clearly landowners have put their objection saying that the land belongs to them. They have the document. At the matter is going in the DSLR court. Jenna matter is still going on. Land जो right पे हा तो ascertain जावना. Land right कसो ascertain जाता गोंयान. तुझे agreement for sale करचे पडटा, sale deed करचे पडटा, मागीर partition करचे पडटा, mutation करचे पडटा. There is several documentation required to claim an ownership or to have a land belonging to you in your name. आता रेल्वे कडेन काय ना म्हणल्यार हांव येता, चोर येता, माझ्या घरान येता, एक घर बांदता आनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन सायलंट. एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पळयता, एक्शन काय ना, हें चलना कितें. सो वॉट वी आर सेइंग इज वॉट इज रॉंग ते बंद करचें. आनी लोकांचे एक्सेस तुमी ट्रेडिशनल एक्सेस ब्लॉक केला. रायट फंडामेंटल रायट हो बेसिक रायट टू एक्सेस इज अ फंडामेंटल रायट. सो वी आर आस्किंग द डिपार्टमेंट, स्पेशली द कलेक्टर, to take immediate action and take action against the Surya Construction. आणि हे पळय पोकलेन आणि ग्रेवल्स खंयचे हाडटा, हेंचे लेबर लॉज हे पाडटा की ना, हे सगळे वायलेशन आहा हेंचे. मग चोरयांनी काम करता, चोराक हिंगा प्रोटेक्शन मेळता आणि जो पळय ओनर आहा तेका प्रोटेक्शन मेळना. अशी गत जालेली आसा आमच्या वाठारान.
mentioned the reason why we are all gathered here today, and this has not been happening just today, but this has been happening since years. This fight is just not about double tracking, but this fight is about protecting the local villages and the village Velsau. You can just look around how beautiful this village is. Velsau is one of the most peaceful villages of Goa. It has always been a very peaceful village of Goa all throughout, but suddenly the government couldn't digest this peace, this beauty, this harmony in Velsau, and they decided to lay double tracking. Now, when we talk about double tracking, we talk about various other issues. It's not about coming against any development. It is not coming against the BJP government. It is not targeting the BJP government. This is just for the sake of the people. As Mr. Orwell already mentioned that they are going to lay tracks on this land when this is already in the court, which is basically under prejudice. When there are houses going to be locked here, you can already see the gravels being laid there, and you can see on the left hand side of it there is hardly any access to it. There is a house there. So when a double track comes here, how will people access their basic fundamental right to access is denied. As per the constitution, this is a basic right that any human on the ground needs to access, the right to access. We have senior citizens here, we have small children here. What are we going to do in case of emergency? Will an ambulance be able to come here? How are the people supposed to address any emergency in terms of health, in terms of fire? Last time there was already an incident when a house was caught fire and there was no access to it. The government is still not opened their eyes. We have small children who have a future ahead. What are we letting them go through? When we are talking about development, there has to be something kept for the future. But when we are finishing our future, there's nothing else left. We need to understand one thing. This is not about a political fight, but it is about protecting village. So I request every citizen, every villager, keeping all the political differences aside, come down here. Please stand with the villages of Velsau. Let's stand against this double tracking and let's fight for the right of people. Let's fight to save Velsau and let's fight to save the right to access. Thank you.
आज आमी हे वता बारार आतां 12 वरां जालीं आज 5 तारीख ऑगस्टाची वता बाराचे आमी हो आमचे गांव भाव हिंगा आनी भयण्यो हिंगा येयल्या कित्याक हे इलिगल हिंगा काम चलता. इलिगल काम म्हणल्यार कितें हो जागो पयलो वी हॅव टू गो टू द लँड एक्विजिशन एक्ट 1894. तेन्ना डायरेक्टर ऑफ ISLR had clearly, Mr. Johnson had clearly stated that until the railways have any documents to prove that land was ceded by the then Portuguese government to the railways, either as a affirmance or any other documents, they were in no position to claim that the land belonged to them. Thereafter, several measures have been taken. The railways themselves have taken us to the court of the ISLR. 22 odd hearings have happened there. Argument has just started. I think last 3-4 arguments have happened about the matter. People are diligently going, attending the matter. There have been some villagers, they have gone to the district court. Matter is also being heard there. So despite all this, they were dumping this gravel, as you can see all along. This itself also is also in the GCZMA, where the matter is being heard after 3 years. We had villagers and Goincha High Court had filed a matter in 2023. But we were surprised, and we were pleasantly surprised that GCZMA has woken up, because this itself was a rivulet. In the rains, this was a rivulet, a tributary to the river Sal. ती आतां तेणी माती घालून ती पुरयल्या आनी आतां डबल ट्रॅकिंगाचें काम चालू आहा. नाव the villagers, through one of our senior villager here, Mr. Max D'Souza, I was away, and then he took this, the onus on him, gathered the villagers, they went to the deputy collector, a meeting was held with the representatives of the RVNL, and documents were produced, which were issued by the local Talati, the Mamlatar, and a minutes of meeting was prepared last month, stating that 20 and more, I'll share the document with you because we have obtained it through RTI, 20 and more houses along this small stretch, okay, it could be about 1.5 kilometers, will be totally landlocked. And in this meeting, the RVNL representatives, whoever they are, they were lying and they were caught lying, stating that there was alternate access to these people, which is totally a blatant lie. And they were given instructions which are very, very clear. First of all, they said that there is no document in the ISLR to prove that the land alongside the existing track, which is on the eastern side, belongs, or there is any mention of either RVNL or Southwestern Railway. It is minuted in there. The second thing, they were given instructions that until they produce title documents to this area, the survey plans or any other such documents where they can define that the land belongs to them, no work should be continued. In the same letter, another instruction was given to the ISLR to conduct site inspection, to define whatever the boundaries or whatever, and to ascertain the truth, which has thus far not happened. Now, who is stopping whom? And through all this process, now there are allegations made by the public, the general public who are residents here, that with the support of the Goa police, the contractor is dumping this gravel, to execute a project. Now, who is responsible? If this was land belonging to the railways, the Railway Protection Force, they have an office in Vasco. They have full-fledged police station at Vasco. They should have been here on this ground. Instead, our Goa police is victimized and put on the job, unknowingly perhaps. I am not blaming them because they are here to protect us. We know they are here to protect the citizens. But it is it as per the allegation made by the residents here. They say ते येताय आमकां हें कोताय आनी ते ट्रक मात रोखून वयताय. So who is protecting whom? If this again I'm stating this, if this land was belonging to the railways, railway protection force should have been here on the ground. We would have been on that side. But no, it's not happening. So today again the same issue happened. Okay, and right behind me there are about 7-8 houses. You will see it when you do your this. You can do a physical videograph there. There is, forget motorable access, which was told to us in that meeting that there will be motorable access. There is not even for a person to safely cross to his residence. So are we, in what era are we living? And isn't this is a human rights violation? So many questions. Who is going to answer? Is the CM going to answer us these questions? Because we were there in New Delhi, we discussed this matter, and those guys at Rail Bhavan, they were just like, we have nothing to do with it. It is in the Revenue Department, Government of Goa. They have to determine who owns this land. This is the answer what we are getting. So, come what may, we are going to stand by the people. There are people who are saying that, we are doing this, that we have ulterior motives. It's for me 8 past years. And like me, there are countless others across Goa. We are not here for a personal benefit or anything. I don't reside here per se. But these are my villages and my people. And we are going here to be here, come what may, to protect their interest.
Next. Just
Very good afternoon to all.
I'm a Ganarautan, Ingagorian. I'm 75. Sotur and Pans of Smaka. I ain't got a Hator Gata Stone, I'm get cars and doing it behind me. Yeah, I put Inga motor astrona, yet track I'm back. Tambo Lole. Police say, Inga, Mako pushing color, and a gun pushing color, and Tanga was for delay. I had I lole, I think it don't get the lolly. So, Munga Taro bound Zanteli. I'm to get photo me a sportsman now. Hathor man to get photo Musangoli to Moita is a daishi. Terraule, there might be regular Punia police sailor and Mac Atidon pushing Kale and pushing Kale and Tanka or Spadile. I'm best in Tono than I'm called it. I'm a station locktie. A police in Kalzalami pushing so I move. What I don't keep Kotli Maga, Yank Mugaka, Honmalo, Odilante, and Zata, Odil Tanka, and Kelly. And play Sanga Lago, Tankamura, and Tankorita. There was one at found that I local. Yeah, play a police round. So can you let? So after I get guided truck, I let them get the item how the boys have come here and can load it. And I load it. I'm getting motor, I am doing it. I'm for motor and also buying ambulance. I don't buy it.
we'll take it inside.
Yeah.
Actually reside in Kolwa, but I am with my aunt. My mother's sister stays here, right on my right hand side. And as a citizen of Goa, in a village of Goa, it's my duty to be there to fight against any injustice or illegality that is happening. Now we know that the railways don't own this land, because I know for a fact that my aunt and uncle, they own this land right here, which I'm standing, right? So railways have not yet been able to even produce any sort of document or data. Now, in spite of that, and in spite of the matter being in the court, in various courts, work is still going on. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, and I could be wrong here, but as far as I know, as per the Railway Health and Safety Board, when the 2 tracks are laid, there has to be enough space of the railways for any derailment, any accident, because the houses are right here in the vicinity. What happens if there's an accident here? Has that been taken into account? We do not know, because now we are talking about double tracking. There will be more trains and much faster trains. Will that be taken into account of how they are going to manage if there's a major accident when there's no access at all to come here? Then what happens? We know that last year there was a fire and Mr. Sanjay Koilo lost his house, and the fire brigade couldn't even managed to put off the fire because there was no way to come. And by the time it eventually reached, it was too late. So what happened? I'm more concerned about the houses that are here, not just in this village, but most of the villages where the double tracking is going to have an effect with. So yes, even though I'm not part of this village, but I will start and I will fight and I will be there in solidarity with basically with the people of Elsa. Thank you.
नाव किती तुमचे
तमत्तरको कारवालो म्हाका 60 इयर्स जाले आमी हिंगा रावताय
एक सेकंड या हय
म्हाका आतां 60 इयर्स जाली मुगे डॅडी आहलोलो तो मरून गेलो आतां मुगे मामी आहा आतां ती हुंच्यान हांव दोतोरागे वता म्हळ्यार आमकां हिंगा रस्तो ना आतां ते आनीक सगलो वे ब्लॉक कोताय हिंगा सगळे फातर भितर घालून सगळे वे ब्लॉक केल्या आमी पयले हे सायडीन रस्तो आहलो आमकां आमी वयताले अशी डॉक्टरागे बा हांव वतालो डॅडी बिडी सगल्या ते सायडीन वतालो आतां म्हाका व्हरपाक मामी वता म्हळ्यार आतां रस्तो ना आतां आमी अशी वयताय सद्याक आतां ते वे ब्लॉक केले जाल्यार म्हाका व्हरपाक ती मेळपा ना जाणटी आहा ती चलोन बिलोन जायना कळना तुका आनी आमगे हांव मागत त्या कडेन आमगे कितें एक धाकलो रस्तो दिचो सायडीन बा खंयच्यानूय तरी आमगे वे ब्लॉक केले जाल्यार आमी भितर वतले सगळे तेंगेली घर आहा आमगेले हें घर आहा आमगे इतले मागणे
कितले कितले घर आहा कितलेशे घर आहा
आमगे हिंगा एक 7-8 घर आहा
सगळे ब्लॉक जातले
हे ते ब्लॉक जाता हे ब्लॉक जाता हे आनी ते लास्ट एक आहा तेय ब्लॉक जाता लास्ट
तुमकां ऑप्शन हा तुमकां ऑप्शन हा दुसरो ऑप्शन हा
आनी हुंच्यान ना ऑप्शन आहा म्हळ्यार बारीक वचपाक जाता रे मोटरसायकल तशें वचपाक जाता म्हळ्यार
पण पेशंटाक
एश वयताले न्हू आमगे वे ब्लॉक
एम्ब्युलन्स येवपाक जागा आहा
हय आनी एम्ब्युलन्स वचपाक जाग ना एशी इन्याची एशीच आनी कांय ना मुगे मागणे
जेन्ना हांव डोमिंगो रॉटरीज आतां हे एक्झिस्टींग रेल्वे आहा तेजे सायडीन हे आतां आनी डबल ट्रॅक घालताय आनी तो एक्चुअली म्हाका रोड एक्सेस इतलोच आनी कांय एक्सेस ना म्हाका आतां सपोज कितें जालें मुगे मामी आहा अबावट 75 इयर्स ओल्ड भाव आहा तो सिकाचो सो आतां ते सीक पडले जाल्यार म्हाका तांकां व्हरपाक कांय वाट ना आतां हे रेल्वे ते बलास्ट घातले तेमी आनी ते म्हाका सांगताय तुका आपूण बायक वचपाचो वे दोत म्हूण पूण ते इट्स अ लाय ते फोटींग सांगताय कित्याक म्हाका खबर आहा कितले रेल्वे एक ट्रॅक घालपाक कितलो स्ट्रेच जाता ते फातर ते आनी थिंगा चलोन वचपा पासून वाट उरपा ना ते म्हाका एवरी टायम सांगताय तेंचे ऑफिसर्स येताय ते की बायक वचपाक तरी आसता म्हूण तुमकां पूण हांव तेंचेर विश्वास दवरना कित्याक म्हाका खबर आहा आतां फाल्यां मुगे सीक जालें कोण मामी सीक जाली भाव सीक जालो कितें जालें जाल्यार म्हाका व्हरोंक तेंकां कांय वेय ना बायकूय ना आनी एम्ब्युलन्स तरी चड खबर कित्याक उच पेटलो फायर ब्रिगेड पासून येतली जाल्यार कांयच वाटू ना म्हाका सो आतां हांव हे आहा मिन्स कांय सजमना आतां कितकोन फुडें जाता तें आमगेलें
सो जशें जंगलान जाता जे जाग्यार कांय गाडी वचपाक शकना
हय.
तशें तुमकां जंगलान हाडून सोडटले अशें
ते
जाल्यार
भाशेन सारकें आमकां ब्लॉक करून सोडटाय कांय वेय ना
मागणी कितें
मुगे मागणी आहा की म्हाका सायडीन रोड एक्सेस दी एटलिस्ट इतलेंच जाय की कोण सीक पडलो कितें जालें जाल्यार एटलिस्ट एक एम्ब्युलन्स नाल्यार एक फायर ब्रिगेड येवपाची इतलें तरी म्हाका जाय
आमी हे घरांतली आनी जायत वर्सांनी आमी येता वयता आनी हांव वॉज अ टिचर आय शू कम एंड गो मॉर्निंग तेन्ना गाडी येता जाल्यार कितें करताली आमी धांवन येतालीं गाडयेर भिरांग तीन आनी आतां हे 2 ट्रॅक येयले जाल्यार आमी कितें करून चलतलीं आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार आमगे घर इतुलें वायब्रेट जाता सगळे क्रॅक्स येयले भितर देवल्यान आनी न्यू आहा तेकाय येयले ओल्ड आहा तेकाय बी येयले
सो इफ आता एरोबल्स घातले कितको त्रास जातलो
हय ते जायते त्रास जाता आनी मोडो शकता न्हू उरपा ना ते हेज्या मुखार
तुमी खंय वयतले दुसरो घर बीन आहा तुमचें
ना
हा
दुसरे घर दुसऱ्यान गेले न्हू
हय सो खंय वयतले आतां तुमचे एक्सेस ब्लॉक जाला जाल्यार कितें करतले
खबर ना देव कोती वाट
सरकारा कित्या पडलो
हय तें कित्याक पडला
मरून तेंक पडलो ते तेंगे केल्याने कोण
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर